beautiful entities. I hope all is well with any and everyone who is witnessing this video. So I have a question for you all. Why are we allowing a naturally occurring compound that each and every one of us possesses separate, divide us, and induce hatred amongst us? And what is this compound I'm speaking of? Melanin. Yes, melanin. The pigment that we all possess that gives us our eye color, our skin color, our hair color. A box gave me this color, but nonetheless, we all possess it. So I ask you, why are we allowing this naturally occurring compound to separate us? It's insane to me. Yes, we all possess different amounts and different types, but nonetheless, we all possess it. Variety is the spice of life. The Creator created us divinely and intricately and designed us to interact and to love one another. Okay, can you imagine how boring it would be if we all looked the same, if we all acted the same, if we all had the same cuisines? And how boring. The Creator gave us variety, and it is beautiful, and people are not embracing it. People are hating other people because of the alleged differences. But goodness, we all possess melanin. We all possess emotions. We all have similar desires. We want to be accepted, heard, loved. We experience love, happiness, sadness, fear, these emotions. Like, I'm just so confused as to why we are allowing melanin to separate us. Race is made up. It's another social construct that is made up. We're all human entities, okay? People, please, I implore you. I really do, because it's heartbreaking to me. The stories that I hear, people are getting into altercations. People are losing their lives. People are discriminated against. People don't have access to the resources that will change their lives because of melanin. Are we really? Really? Go interact with that group that you wouldn't normally interact with. Go try a different cuisine. I mean, I love Mexican food. That is my absolute favorite cuisine. Can you imagine if there was no Mexican food, no tacos, Taco Tuesday, Taco Thursdays? I mean, listen, we've got to stop. We have got to quit. Let's quit. Let's love each other for the variety. We're all human entities, as I stated before, but there is variety, and it's beautiful. It's culture. That's beautiful. That is absolutely beautiful. We must interact and love one another, embrace one another, appreciate one another, appreciate the variety. Humans, we are of the same species, whether you believe it. Some people don't. They think some beings are subhuman, but we're not. Okay? We're not. Humelinated beings are not subhuman. We are all of the same ilk. So I just implore you to go out there and interact with one another, appreciate the variety, go try a different cuisine, go hang out with a different group. Let's love each other, please. Please, please. I implore you. And variety is the spice of life. So I thank you in advance for listening. I hope this was enlightening. And I appreciate you all, beautiful entities. I really do. So let's go and appreciate each other. And please subscribe to each other's growth. Let's help each other out in this journey. And I thank you in advance. So may love, the Creator, and peace be with you all. Thank you.